Hello, dear viewers. Today, we embark on an incredible journey to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant, named after the supreme god of the ancient Roman pantheon, has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. Its immense size, powerful storms, and mysterious moons make it one of the most intriguing objects of study. But Jupiter is more than just a planet. It is a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Today, we will dive into its history, explore its fascinating features, and try to imagine what it would be like to stand near this cosmic giant. This video is designed to help you relax, unwind, and immerse yourself in the atmosphere of deep space. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and let yourself enjoy this journey. We will begin at the very start, when humanity first discovered Jupiter's existence. The discovery of Jupiter. Jupiter has been known to humans since ancient times. Its bright light in the night sky has always captured the attention of observers. In Babylon, it was called Mulubaba, meaning white star. The ancient Greeks associated it with Zeus, the god of the sky and thunder, while the Romans named it after Jupiter, the chief deity of their pantheon. However, a true breakthrough in the study of Jupiter occurred in 1610, when the Italian scientist Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope at the planet. He discovered 4 large moons, later named the Galilean moons in his honor. This discovery provided crucial evidence for Copernicus' heliocentric model, which proposed that not all celestial bodies revolve around the Earth. Since then, Jupiter has remained a focal point for astronomers. In the 17th century, Giovanni Cassini discovered the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. In the 19th century, scientists began studying Jupiter's spectrum, leading to early hypotheses about the composition of its atmosphere. The 20th century brought even more discoveries. With the advancement of space technology, the first probes were sent to Jupiter. In 1973, Pioneer 10 became the first spacecraft to fly past Jupiter, sending back images of its atmosphere. It was followed by Pioneer 11, Voyager 1, and Voyager 2, which revealed astonishing details about this giant planet. Physical characteristics of Jupiter. Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere remains a scientific mystery. It is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, making it similar in composition to the Sun. However, unlike our star, Jupiter lacks the mass necessary to initiate nuclear fusion. Nevertheless, its atmosphere is so dense and lead that it resembles a vast ocean of gas. One of Jupiter's most striking atmospheric features is its bands. These bands, visible in images, consist of cloud belts made up of ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and water vapor. The light-colored bands are called zones, while the darker ones are belts. They move in opposite directions, generating powerful winds that can reach speeds of 360 km per hour, 224 miles per hour. But the most famous phenomenon in Jupiter's atmosphere is, without a doubt, the Great Red Spot. This enormous storm, which has been raging for over 400 years, is so vast that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Scientists are still unsure why this storm has persisted for so long. Some theories suggest that it is fueled by Jupiter's internal heat or complex interactions between atmospheric layers. Jupiter's interior. Beneath Jupiter's thick atmosphere lies an even more fascinating world. Scientists believe that as one moves deeper into the planet, pressure and temperature increase to the point where hydrogen transforms into an exotic state, metallic hydrogen. This unique substance, which does not naturally exist on Earth, possesses remarkable properties, including superconductivity. Io is the most volcanically active moon in the solar system. Its surface is covered with hundreds of volcanoes that continuously erupt, spewing sulfur and other materials up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles high. This makes Io one of the brightest objects in the solar system when viewed in the infrared spectrum. Europa is an ice-covered world. Beneath its thick ice shell, scientists believe there is a vast ocean of liquid water, potentially containing twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. The possibility of extraterrestrial life in this ocean makes Europa one of the most exciting targets for future space missions. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, with a diameter of 5,268 kilometers, 3,273 miles, even larger than Mercury. It is also the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, possibly generated by a liquid metal core. Beneath its icy crust, Ganymede may harbor a deep ocean of liquid water. Callisto is one of the oldest celestial bodies in the solar system, with a heavily cratered surface that has remained unchanged for 4 billion years. Like Ganymede and Europa, Callisto may also have a subsurface ocean, though it is likely buried beneath a much thicker layer of ice. Jupiter's rings. When people think of planetary rings, Saturn usually comes to mind. However, Jupiter also has rings, though they are much fainter. These rings were discovered in 1979 by Voyager 1. They consist of tiny dust particles and debris, likely formed from collisions between Jupiter's moons and meteoroids. Jupiter's rings are divided into several components. The main ring, the brightest and densest part. The halo, a more diffuse ring surrounding the main ring. The gossamer rings, thin rings created by material from moons like Amalthea and Thebe. Though not as striking as Saturn's, Jupiter's rings play a significant role in our understanding of planetary ring systems. Scientific discoveries that could change our understanding of Jupiter. Life on Europa. One of the most exciting future discoveries could be the detection of life on Europa. The Moon's subsurface ocean is considered one of the most likely places for life beyond Earth. The upcoming Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in the coming years, might provide answers to this mystery. Studying Jupiter's magnetic field. Jupiter's magnetic field remains one of its greatest enigmas. Future missions, such as JUICE, Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, will help scientists better understand the nature of this field and its interactions with Jupiter's moons. These studies could lead to new breakthroughs in plasma physics and magnetohydrodynamics. Artificial intelligence and data analysis. With the development of artificial intelligence, scientists will be able to analyze vast amounts of data collected from Jupiter missions. This could lead to discoveries that are currently unimaginable. For example, AI might identify new patterns in Jupiter's atmosphere or predict volcanic eruptions on Io. Jupiter in the culture of the future. Jupiter in science fiction. Jupiter will continue to inspire writers, artists, and filmmakers. In the future, we may see new works where Jupiter serves as a setting or a symbol of something grand and mysterious. For example, in movies or books, Jupiter might be portrayed as the gateway to humanity's first steps among the stars. Jupiter as a symbol. Jupiter could become a symbol of hope and the pursuit of knowledge. Its immense size and power remind us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. In the future, Jupiter may not only be a subject of scientific study but also a source of inspiration for new generations of explorers. Jupiter's influence on astrology. Jupiter as the planet of luck. In astrology, Jupiter is considered the planet of luck, expansion, and growth. It is associated with optimism, generosity, and the pursuit of knowledge. People strongly influenced by Jupiter in their horoscopes often possess charisma, self-confidence, and the ability to inspire others. Jupiter is also linked to travel and philosophy. It symbolizes the drive to explore the world and seek truth. In astrological charts, Jupiter often indicates areas of life where a person can achieve the greatest success and fulfillment. Jupiter in natal charts. In an individual's natal chart, the position of Jupiter can reveal much about their personality. For example, if Jupiter is in Sagittarius, it may indicate a strong desire for freedom and adventure. If Jupiter is in Pisces, it might suggest deep spirituality and compassion. Jupiter also influences how a person perceives the world. Those with a strong Jupiter in their charts often have a broad world view and the ability to see the big picture. They may become philosophers, teachers, or travelers who seek to share their knowledge with others. Jupiter and karma. In astrology, Jupiter is also associated with karma, the law of cause and effect. It is believed that Jupiter helps people understand their karmic lessons and use them for personal growth. For example, if Jupiter is in a tense aspect with other planets, it may indicate the need to learn generosity or be more open to new opportunities. Jupiter as a resource hub. In the future, Jupiter and its moons could become essential resource centers for humanity. The water ice on Europa and Ganymede could be used for producing water and oxygen, making them ideal locations for space stations. Additionally, Jupiter's atmosphere contains a significant amount of helium-3, which could be used as fuel for nuclear fusion reactors. This could make Jupiter a key player in the future of energy production. Jupiter as a scientific laboratory. Jupiter could also serve as a unique scientific laboratory for studying plasma physics, magnetic fields, and atmospheric processes. For example, studying the Great Red Spot could help us better understand storms and climate phenomena on other planets. Moreover, Jupiter's moons, such as Io and Europa, could become prime locations for studying volcanic activity and subsurface oceans. This research could lead to new discoveries in geology and biology. Conclusion. Jupiter is more than just a planet, it is a symbol of power, mystery, and the vastness of the cosmos. It reminds us of how much we have yet to learn about the universe and the secrets it holds. In the future, Jupiter may inspire new generations of researchers, artists, and philosophers. Its moons could become new homes for humanity, and its atmosphere, a source of energy and resources. But for now, take a moment to relax. Close your eyes, imagine this distant giant surrounded by clouds and moons, and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful, deep sleep. May your dreams be as boundless as the cosmos and as serene as Jupiter's soft glow in the night sky. Metallic hydrogen may play a key role in generating Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. This field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's and extends millions of kilometers into space, creating radiation belts so intense that they can damage spacecraft electronics. At Jupiter's core, there is likely a solid nucleus. Its exact composition remains unknown, but scientists theorize that it consists of heavy elements such as iron and silicon. This core, surrounded by layers of metallic hydrogen and liquid helium, makes Jupiter a true giant, continuing to astonish us with its complexity. Jupiter's magnetic field and radiation. Jupiter's magnetic field is not just a scientific mystery, it also poses a major challenge for space exploration. The field creates intense radiation belts that encircle the planet, making it hazardous for spacecraft. For instance, the Galileo probe was specially designed to withstand high radiation levels, yet even it suffered damage. Jupiter's magnetic field also interacts with its moons. For example, on Io, the most volcanically active moon in the solar system, the planet's magnetic field induces powerful electric currents that heat its interior. This constant heating leads to massive eruptions, making Io one of the most geologically dynamic bodies in our solar system. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter is not just a planet, it is an entire system of moons. As of today, 79 moons are known to orbit this gas giant. The most famous of them are the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. They were discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610 and became the first celestial objects found using a telescope. This is just the beginning of our exploration of Jupiter. Stay with us as we uncover more about this giant planet, its moons, and the fascinating mysteries of the solar system. Colonization of Jupiter's moons. Jupiter's moons, such as Europa and Ganymede, are considered among the most promising locations for colonization in the solar system. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, could be a potential site for discovering extraterrestrial life, while Ganymede, with its magnetic field and possible water reserves, could serve as a base for future space missions. However, colonizing Jupiter's moons comes with many challenges. For example, the high radiation levels around Jupiter pose a significant risk to human health. Additionally, the icy surfaces of Europa and Ganymede will require the development of new technologies for construction and resource extraction. Jupiter's role in the future of the solar system. Protection from asteroids. Jupiter will continue to act as a gravitational protector of Earth. Its powerful gravitational field attracts asteroids and comets that could otherwise threaten our planet. In the future, with advancements in technology, humanity might even be able to harness Jupiter's gravity to influence asteroid trajectories and prevent potential catastrophes. Resource supply. Jupiter and its moons could become vital resource hubs for future space missions. For example, the water ice on Europa and Ganymede could be used for producing water and oxygen. Additionally, Jupiter's atmosphere contains significant amounts of helium-3, which could serve as fuel for nuclear fusion reactors.